What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing an engine air filter change on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Like I said, this is a 21 Corolla here, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this Corolla is going to have the 1.8 liter motor. The engine air filter is going to be located at the front of the motor on the driver's side, and there's two clips that we need to undo. The first one right here, and it just pulls off like that. And then we have another one up here. Same thing, pulls off. And once you get those two clips undone, this whole kind of top piece will pick up like this, and we can see our filter right here. Pull that out. And I'm not going to change this one right now, but when you do, you may want to take a rag and wipe down the inside of this, or grab a shop vac or something. Just clean out any extra debris or anything like that you have in there. Then when you install your new one, you'll put it with this rubber black piece, that little gasket. You'll have that on the top. Make sure it's seated all the way in there. And then this top piece has these two tabs on the back that kind of tuck in these loops. So get those tucked in there, and then you just snap those two snaps back on. And that's it. Pretty simple. I'll put a link to a place where you can purchase one of these filters in the description box of this video. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.